Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a video call on Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Whether you are connecting with colleagues, friends, or classmates, Teams make video calls easy and efficient. Stay tuned as I guide you through the process. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you are logged in. To start a call, go to the Chat tab and select a person you want to call. If you want to make a group call, create a new group chat by clicking on New Chat and adding multiple people. Once you are in the chat, look for the video camera icon at the top right corner and click on it to start the call. For group calls, this works the same way. Just click the video call button after adding participants. Before joining the call, make sure your camera and microphone are turned on. Now you are in the call. You can mute or unmute, share your screen, and invite more participants if needed. When you are done, click End Call to exit. And that's it. Now you know how to make a video call on Microsoft Teams. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.